It looks kind of rough right now because she crashed it, so it's got some custom racing stripes down the side. My name's Carl Stansel. We're at Holley LS Fest down in Bowling Green. It's an 84 S10 Blazer. It's got a 6.0 block that we put a 4-inch stroke crank in it, so it's a 406 with twin Borg Warner 66mm turbos that Bullseye turbos upgraded with their Batmo wheel and race cover. It's got Holley intake, Holley high ram, and then we had a Visitor Engine Development did a billet top and throttle body for it. In 2013, I switched over to it. We used to run a big block in it, and then just decided to, the LS platform looked like, at the time, was just going to do a stock deal, and thought, for a junkyard motor to just throw in it, and with turbos, cost is cheap for them right now, and they hold up pretty good, to a point, and so we thought it was the way to go, so we tried it, and I love it. It's awesome. I bought the truck for my dad bone stock in '93, so I've had it 25 years now. And at that point, we did a mild small block, then we put a big block in it, put some ladder bars in it, put a cage in it, and it sat from about '98 till 2005. It sat in the corner of the garage, and then we completely gutted it and built the chassis. It's a 3/4 round tube chassis, 750 cert chassis with ladder bars, stock front suspension, and when we first put it together, we put a big block in it and wanted to do turbos. Always wanted to do turbos with a big block, but we got the big block in it, tried fitting turbos, and was like, nah, it's just not gonna fit, So we scrapped it, just did a nitrous big block 540, ran that for a couple years, then did a 598 on nitrous, ran that for a couple years. And then I just decided, I wanted something different. I want to get back to the turbo idea, and so that's when we decided to make the change, and we switched it over. Fastest pass today was actually yesterday with an 809 at 169. The pass previous to that, it mile an hour at 170. So we're having a good time with it. It's fun, it's a blast. My daughter drives it, like I said. She started racing it when she was 17. It looks kind of rough right now because she crashed it in July. So it's got some custom racing stripes down the side, and the front end's off, so it got to finish being put back together. But we got it together so that we could, do some more racing this year.